Squeeze out some toothpaste and create a wonderful spray. Mix it with vinegar and warm water, then shake it well. Spray it onto damp windows and wipe with a cloth. This spray leaves a light, protective layer that helps prevent fog from forming again. 0 streaks and less moisture, the perfect fix for foggy car windows. Pour some alcohol into your sprayer. This keeps your windows from freezing and helps rain roll off much faster. Then clean the glass with a magic sponge. Its unique texture reaches even the tiniest imperfections. The result is a crystal clear, smooth surface that looks freshly polished. This is an amazing trick that will transform your car headlights in no time without replacing them. A simple method that saves you money on expensive cleaning products. You only need these items. The first one is a lemon. It dissolves dirt and water stains perfectly. To clean the headlights, just cut the lemon in half. The second is baking soda. It removes dirt, polishes, and scrubs without scratching the surface. These 2 simple ingredients are the secret to making your headlights shine like new. Just sprinkle the lemon with baking soda and start scrubbing. The lemon releases juice and the cleaning takes only a few seconds. Watch as the headlights regain their original shine second by second. Simply wipe them dry afterward. Look at these brilliant results. I regret finding out about this so late. Every morning, I take a thermos with me in the car, an absolute lifesaver in winter. This simple trick is not only effective, but also saves time and effort, especially on freezing mornings. All you need is a Ziploc bag, filled with very warm water and sealed tightly to prevent leaks. Instead of spending long minutes scraping ice off your windshield, which can be exhausting and even damage the glass, simply glide the warm water-filled bag over the frozen surface. The ice melts instantly, saving you from using uncomfortable scrapers or expensive chemical deicers. The best part? The bag works with precision. You can literally see the ice disappear upon contact with the warmth. Move it gently from top to bottom for an even melt across the entire windshield. Within minutes, your car windows are clear and ready for the road. This hack is a game changer for anyone who has little time in the morning and wants a quick, hassle-free solution. Have you tried it before? I pour this on my car windows and don't worry about winter grime anymore. Just spray them with hydrogen peroxide, which breaks down buildup and tiny particles so they're easier to wipe away. Dry the glass with a paper towel that won't streak, and your windows stay clean, smooth, and fresh for longer. Put an apple in your car. This trick was shared with me by a mechanic. Just place 1/2 in the front and 1 in the back, and leave them for 24 hours. The apple works as a natural odor absorber. It pulls in moisture and neutralizes smells. Unlike air fresheners, it doesn't mask odors. It literally absorbs them. After a day, your car's interior smells fresh, almost like after professional ozone cleaning. But that's not all. An apple has another use that few people know about. Cut it in half and rub 1/2 over your car windows. This old, forgotten trick works especially well on rainy days. Every driver knows the struggle of weak wipers, and in such cases, an apple can work wonders. Simply rub the window thoroughly, inch by inch. The malic acid in the apple creates what's known as the lotus effect, a natural phenomenon that makes water and dirt slide off quickly. As a result, your windshield stays clean and visibility improves even during heavy rain. Just repeat this simple trick from time to time. Spray your car window with this mixture, and it will defrost without scraping. This simple mix will save you time and frustration, and it costs just a few bucks. Cold mornings can be unpleasant, and scraping ice off your windows can take a while. Instead of buying expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Most of the ingredients are already in your home. You'll never have to scrape windows before driving again. In a container, pour 30 milliliters of salicylic alcohol. It has properties that dissolve ice. Next, add 30 milliliters of vinegar. Then, measure 15 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. It has surfactant properties that reduce surface tension, helping the mixture work better. Finally, pour in 400 milliliters of warm water. You can use lukewarm water, but hot water will speed up the ice melting process. Mix everything together, transfer it to a spray bottle, and screw on the lid. Let me know the lowest temperature in your city this year. Spray your windows with this deicer, and within seconds, you'll see the ice start to melt. The ingredients ensure the mixture won't freeze on your windows. No more scraper needed, just spray and leave it. This trick will save you time and won't hurt your wallet. Don't throw away old newspapers. They're a winter lifesaver for your car. Scraping ice, unreliable deicers, and freezing hands are a daily struggle for many drivers. But there's a simple and cheap solution. Lay old newspapers over your windshield and secure them with the wipers. They act as a protective barrier, preventing frost and ice buildup. In the morning, just remove the papers and your windshield is clear. No scraping, no wasted time. A warm water bag will be useful for every driver. This simple solution is not only effective, but also saves time and energy, especially on freezing mornings. All you need is a resealable plastic bag, fill it with very warm water, and seal it tightly, ensuring there are no leaks. This simple trick works wonders. Instead of spending long minutes scraping the windshield, which can be tiring and may even damage the glass, just slide the bag over the frozen surface. The warm water starts working instantly, melting the ice in seconds. This eliminates the need for scrapers, which can be inconvenient, or chemical deicers, which can be costly. Moreover, the bag works with great precision. You can see the ice disappearing immediately upon contact with the warmth. Move the bag gently from top to bottom to evenly melt the ice across the windshield dot. In just a few minutes, the entire process is complete, and your windshield is ice-free and ready for the road. This simple method is especially valuable for those who have little time in the morning and need to get going quickly. Did you know about this trick? I always take such a bag to the car in the morning. I can't live without it in winter. Its application is brilliant. Prepare a drawstring bag, fill it with very warm water, close it, and take it with you. In winter, many people waste time scraping windows. It turns out that a simple bag solves this problem in 15 seconds. Just run it over the frozen windshield. The warm water instantly melts the ice. No scraping or using deicers. You can see the ice disappearing right after the bag touches the window. Move it from top to bottom across the window. In just a few minutes, the car will be ready to drive. What are your ways to quickly defrost your car?